Oh my god. Oh, oh no, 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 no. Ito, ito. Okay guys, ngayon maglalaro na naman tayo ng isang horror game na pinangalanan na Clap Clap. So itong game na to is nakita ko lang siya sa Steam, so bala ko siyang laruin. So try natin kung maganda pa itong game na to at sana naman hindi guys sa video na to. So ano po ba hintayin natin? Simulan na natin to. Try new game. Siyempre new game tayo lagi siyempre. Na-continue natin yan, hindi pa natin nalalaro. Okay. October 8, 1984. I saw an ad in the newspaper about a house sitting job. Since I was short on cash, I decided to sign up. Okay? Okay. Find Muskim House. Hindi ko na nabasa yung ano. Sabi ni itong tao na to. Okay, what's this? May basaran dito. Wow, Kai. Wow, I like the game. Pero may angat. At isa pa, masyado mo. Mamamatay ni Kuya. Iyan. Okay. Hey po. Excuse me. I'm trying to find a house on this street. Could you help me to? Could you help me? Can you help me out? Sure. Which house are you looking for? I'm looking for Miss Kim's place. He hired me to look after it while he's away. Miss Kim, huh? That's interesting. He usually asks me to watch his place. I'm Marco. Marco Botovsky, by the way. Direction, Marco. No problem. If you did anything, I'm just a house away. Okay. Thank you, Marco. Pasensya na ako, medyo bulol-bulol ako. Bulol talaga, guys. So, pasensya niyo na. Check natin yung basaran kung may laman. May laman. Ano to? What's this? Clap, clap. Clap, clap. Cha, cha, cha. Lala. Kumanta. Ito ba? Is this the house ba? This is must be it. Okay. Enter the house. Okay, pasok tayo sa bahay. Siyempre, kaya house sitting. Okay, nakasarado. Sa tayo na. I should go and check. Ano daw? Find the key in the backyard. Okay. Bawal tumalon. Okay. Ang gawin natin dito. Hanapin yung susi siyempre. So, where's the key? Backyard daw. Hanapin dito. Okay. Where's the key, man? Dito. Where? Where's the key? Finding keys. Okay. Wala naman dito. Baka nandito sa may tubig. Ikaw pumunta. So, nasaan? Paano ni dito? Dito ba? Ano dito? Wala. Sakarado. Okay, so di mahanap. Dito ba? Wala. Ba dito? Ayun, nakita ko na. There you go. Found the key. There they are. Let's see if this works. Gagana talaga. Susi ng ano yun eh. Susi ng bahay yan. Okay. Let's go. Damn. Ang dilim ah. Okay. Dilim. Uy, putik. Well, that's they didn't say it. Babasahin ko pa lang. Ang bilis mo naman kasi mag-ano. Hey, thanks for house sitting. Please make sure to check the mailbox, water the plants, throw out the trash. P.S. Press Q to toggle the lights on off in any room. Okay. Lap. Oh, that's ganda nung pagkakabit ng laro nila. Pwede ba? Ganda. Okay, ano to? Tao ba to? Tao yata to eh, yung mga meat na yan. Check natin to. Okay, wala naman. Explore the rooms. Okay, ito muna. Clear. Okay. Sarado mo na yan. Diba? Oh, sheesh. Sarado mo na yan. Ganda ng bahay ah. Simple. Okay. Good, sarado to. I like the house ah. Ganda ng bahay. Okay. Pakisara na sara. Okay, ano to? Caution. Gusto ko pumasok. Wala naman ba pumasok? Uy, may gaming. Akala ko, gaming PC talaga. Akala ko, ano. Ako seems pretty normal. Normal naman talaga yung bahay na to. Uy. Now, first up, grab the mailbox. Okay. Tapos ay pa lang. Tas, alam mo yung sa mga laro ganito, yung totally ang bilis mo magano. Yung sobrang bilis yung pag ano nung ano, yung subtitle. Yung bilis eh. Yung, alam mo babasahin mo pa lang. Okay. Missing. Please help. Kemka Zexa. 25 years old. 170 LBS. Ano yun? Ano yung LBS? Yung tababa? 5'9", feet utang, 5, oh, 5'4", 5'3", di ko alam. So, yun, so, ang ganda ng number, ang ganda. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Missing house sitter. Oh, sounds like the beginning of a mystery novel. Oh, novel. I wonder what happened. Alright, good, okay. Grab the water can from the, okay. Zoom in, ano, yan itong, ano. Okay, rotate daw. Buksan na natin yan. Sarado na natin tong pintuan na yan, tapos rotate daw. Sayang yung tubig. Ito. So, grabe lumulutang yung, ano, no, yung, tawag dito yung watering can. Lumulutang. Grabe. Ganda nun ah. Okay, lagay mo na ang tubig dyan. Uy, sayang tubig. Lisa mo, sayang tubig. Unlimited sources. Unlimited water source. Hindi pa tumatama yung tubig. Ayan na. Dito ayaw man. Why, how, batawan. Ayun. Okay. Okay, medyo ano medyo feel ko parang may something na parang may nanonood sa atin dito. Sas. Uy, ito. Grabe. Ito, tao. Grass. Kala ko kung ano to, grass lang. Grass tuloy. Branches pala. Branches. Grabe, branches. Magdiligay, didiro. Ano yun? Parang may naglalakad. Wait, what? Ano yun? Parang may naglalakad. Pero dito ba yan? Naglalakad kasi. Ito yung camera ko. Check ko lang yung camera ko. Okay, goods pa naman. Okay. So, magdig na lang tayo dito. Ano ko lang yan. Guni-guni ko lang yan. Okay, dilig. Baka dito lang sa amin yan. Okay, dilig lang. There we go. Last one. Magdilig ay di biro. Magabang nakayuko. Di man lang makaupo. Grab the trash from kitchen. From the kitchen. Okay. Sabi mo na yan. Baka may pumasok pang mga ano din. Ito? Wait. Para may buto yata ito. This is sus. Parang sus na ito. Maybe I should lay off the oil. Like, throw out the trash. Okay. Wait lang. Uy! Kuya, ano ba? Pwede ka man lang kumatok ka. Pwede kang kumatok. Pwede kang kumatok. Hindi yung basta susulpot ka na lang. Woo! Damn. Grabe yung laro na to ha. Hindi ako nag-enjoy. Hindi ko lang. Hindi naman ako. Ito pa ano. Okay. Stop. Okay. You scared. Okay. Tinakot mo ako dun ha. I'm Agent Restolino. Ha? Restolino? Federal Investigation. Forever. I need to ask you a few questions. Okay? Few lang ha. Sure. What's this about? There have been reporters of we need to get the bottom of this. We need to get to the bottom of this. Okay. Of course, I will do. Thanks, Inspector. No problem. Stay safe. Stay safe out there. Okay. Oh. Mas ayos ka Pwede naman kasing pumatok. Hindi yung ano pa. Pasensya na dun sa ano ko Bulol lang talaga mag-English. Pasensya na. Sorry. My bad. Uy! Ba't bigla nagsarado yun? Okay, di ako papasok dyan. Naalis na ako dyan. Ay, Inspector! Inspector, may sas dito. Okay. I have a bad feeling. I think I have bad feeling about this. Natin tingnan. Okay, now what? Gagawin natin. Oh, what the fuck is that? Ano yun? Parang may igante sa taas. Check upstairs. Rooms. Okay. Gusto kanina yung mga ilaw na to Oh. Dito may mag-jumpscare dito. Oh, nalaglag yung caution. Okay. Nalaglag yung Okay, just naman. Okay. It must be tired. I must be tired. I should grab something to eat and go to sleep. Yeah. Pagod ka lang talaga. Pagod ka lang. Nandito ba yung cereal kanina? Parang wala naman to. Okay. Put a cereal on the bed upstairs. Saan ba yung bed yan? Dito ba? Ayan. Dito. There you go. Okay. You sleep. Matutulog ka sa gantong sitwasyon. Ang galing mo talaga. Okay, now what? Alay na ako sa bed. Ayun na. Okay, nakatulog-tulog na. Ayun, nakatulog na nga. Okay. Oh, ano yun? Wait, tayo. Wait, para may kumakalampag. Ba't tapos na TV? Hello? Wag, sige, subukan nyo may lumapit to, babato ko sa inyo to. Sige, subukan nyo. Sige, babato ko sa inyo to. Subukan nyo may lumapit. Sige, lumapit kayo. Sige. Sige, subukan nyo. Uy, ba't siya makalis dito? Uy. I'm stuck. Shut up. O, ito nga, tataas na nga ako. Ito na nga. Uy, what was that? Uy, ano yung nakita mo? Parang wala naman ako nakita. So, ba't tayo mag-boss open to? May nakaharap pala na ano dito. Sabi ko sa house sa nangyari ng bahay. Wow. So bigla nagbukas yung ano. So are you serious? Okay. This is not good. Do not enter pero yeah. This is not good. It's not good, man. Okay, may nagsarado ng ilaw doon, so that's great. Yeah, that's really great, man. Oh shit. Kalma, pinto lang yan. Oh, wait, sino yun? Oh no, I have to run, man. I have to run. Wait. Saan napupunta? Man? Bawal. Okay, bawal na umangat yan. Hey, I'm stuck. Stuck ako. Ayun, okay na. Putik, stuck ang putik. Okay, figure is going on. Okay, anong nangyayari? Ipit to. Okay, anong gagawin ko? What am I supposed to do? Okay, dito. Pwede ba tumuksan? What am I supposed to do here? Ito, may exit dito. Okay, nakasarado din yan. What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do here now? Gawin ko dito. What am I supposed to do here? Now what? Okay, yung ko dito ngayon. Oh my, what the... Oh no, I don't like that. Ayoko no. Rubber ducky? Oh my god. Oh no. What's the door? Sarado. Dito ba? Okay yun. Oh no. No. Oh. What the hell is that? Oy. Oh my god, what is this, man? What is this creepy doing here? Ano yan? What is that? Ano yun dun? I keep running until I reach the nearest police station. While investigating, the authorized found Marcos lifeless body in the house. Meanwhile, masking remains were found stuffed in the trash bag outside his house. Their neighborhood soap has disappeared under similar circumstances. His remains have yet to be found. Despite the IRA. Okay, so yun na. Woo! Scratches on the walls. Scratches or scratches on the wall and my harrowing account. No trace of the creature is ever discovered. The case remains unsolved, leaving an unsettling mystery behind. Okay. Uy, may aso. Meron pa. Isa pang version ng Lap-Lap.
So you hear what the captain said earlier? Rumor has it that we're changing course.
Okay. magigitara. Sis.
Thought I'd get a little out.
Clap pa to. Apil ko dito, clap. Hindi. Oo nga, hindi ako clap. Gusto. So, laruin natin itong laro na ito kung sakali lumabas. Sana libre. So,
What in the world are you doing?
I think yun lang ang video para sa araw na to. At sana naman nag-enjoy kayo. Subscribe na din kayo sa channel ko. Like nyo na din yung video and share. So, yun lang. So, paalam!